Hello, hello, hello. Here we go again. Oh my gosh, I've got beats for you. I have a really great exercise. We're going to do it in chest voice and move into the mix area. I'm going to start it kind of low. So if it's a little bit low for some of you, don't worry about it, pick it up. We're only going to go up to the top and that is it. If it gets to be too high, stop, don't push your voice, okay? And I'm going to ask you to move, okay? I'm going to be moving with this and enjoying it, so I want you to do it. This is what we do in my membership, Singing for a Lifetime. We do this. We have so much fun. We move with the exercise. Okay, so this is it. It isn't ooh, it is yo. And then oh at the top. Here we go again. Move. Yo. Oh. Yo. Oh. Notice I'm abs out. That's it. Yo, we're transitioning. Keep the mouth open. Keep moving your body. I'm in the mix. Okay, so my drummer keeps going, So how did you feel in that one? Were you having a hard time in the transition, or did you smoothly move through it? By this time doing the exercises that we've been doing, you should start to be smoothing into the higher notes from the lower notes. The transitions happen just about every octave, and you need to be aware of where your muscles feel comfortable, where you have problems. How can you deal with that? How can you lighten up, get a little bit stronger, be aware, well, maybe I need to lighten up earlier. I need to make it a different sound so that it blends, because you want a nice, even sound. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. Subscribers, you are the bomb. And if you aren't a subscriber, what can I say? Subscribe, ring that bell, and guess what? Such a day, such a